vehicle? Check out the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.